Outside the docks, I asked some rivers men what they thought of the Igbos.
Igbos, though we are all one Nigeria, but they misbehave themselves, and we feel at the moment, at this time, they should remain in their East Central state.
You don't think there is a place for them to work down here now?
At the moment, I don't think so.
Do you think it will come in the future?
That future can tell.
But not now?
Not now.
The federal government has many times said that Igbos will live with their compatriots again in peace and prosperity. But whatever General Gowon may say about reconciliation in faraway Lagos, it's not happening here in the Rivers State. This is Ikwerre, where these Igbos have lived for centuries. During the war, they fled, and local people from other tribes who remained seized the chance to occupy or destroy their homes and seize their farmland. So now these people, there may be as many as 10,000 of them, huddle in squalid refugee camps like this, outcasts in their own towns. All their petitions to the governor of the River State have gone unanswered. There's no indication that they will ever get their homes back. How long is it that you and your people have lived here?
We have been here more than 400 years ago.
As long as that?
Over 400 years ago.
Do you have any other home at all?
We haven't got any place, no home again than here, than Ikwerre here.
What do you think the local people want to do to you?
Well, the people say they want to fight us. So because we ran away when there was a booming of guns during the Civil War, you see, and the army people protect them, not allow them to fight us.
So the army at the moment is keeping you and them apart?
Yeah, the army people are guiding us here.
What would happen if the army left you alone?
They said they will fight against us.
They'll try and drive you out?
Yes, sir.